Hey guys, BrickQueen here with an awesome new LEGO Marvel set to review for you guys. It's set number 76016, the Spider Helicopter Rescue. This set has 299 pieces and it costs about $45, but I think it's going to be awesome, so let's build it. A nice version of Spider-Man. We have gotten this version a few times, but it's always nice to have another one. And next up we have a new figure. This is Power Man. We have Mary Jane. She does have a double-sided face, which is very awesome, and a very cool torso. I really like the printing on the front. Printing on the back's kind of a little odd, in my opinion, but that's just me. Also, I love that she has skin-colored arms. That is very useful for customs. And last but not least, we have a new Big Fig on the scene. This is the new Green Goblin Big Fig. Very, very different from the old Green Goblins that we got in the past. One day I might do a comparison for you guys, but I think this is a pretty cool Big Fig. And here's the Green Goblin on his glider, which looks like it's a little But first, go ahead and show you the back part right here. Got these little pieces that spin. And you do have quite a few flick fire on here. There's actually 4 right here. You fire them 2 at a time by pushing these back pieces right here, like that. You see how the top 2 went out together? And you might be wondering why there seems to be a hole in the bottom, but you can see the spider web hanging out. And that is so you can push right here and kind of let Spider-Man hang down. Cool set. I'm not sure if it's totally worth how much they want for it, but it is a cool set, I have to admit. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out some more LEGO Superheroes reviews, just like the Hulk Lab Smash, and don't forget to subscribe.